Whoa! Oh my god. The episode has only just started and everything is already going crazy, for God's sake. If I get up and something crazy happens, I might actually crash out. Huh. Everything seems quite normal, and that's a good thing because that doesn't usually happen in this forest. I spoke way too soon. What a big surprise that is then. Well, I might as well go investigate it. Wait a minute. Why do you have a grenade in your hand, Bertie? I think they make good, ground fireworks in the day. And it's about to set off now. What?